If someone knocked on your door after a storm and said they spotted damage on your roof, walk away. There are all types of scams, and the roofing industry is no exception. Let's talk about storm chasers. These are contractors who show up right after a nor'easter or bad windstorm, knocking on doors all over Nassau and Suffolk County. They'll tell you they spotted damage from the street or that they're already working on your neighbor's house. In 2024, Nassau County's DA actually warned homeowners about crews who were climbing onto roofs and creating damage themselves. One guy in Greenvale almost paid $20,000 to fix a hole the contractor made during the so-called inspection. Listen to me. Legitimate contractors do not go door to door. If someone shows up uninvited, your first call should be to your insurance company, not them. Now, let's talk about the other red flags, because there are a few big ones. Number 1, an extremely low bid. Look, every contractor in this market pays roughly the same for materials and labor. If someone comes in 30 to 40% below everyone else, something is missing. Could be the license, could be the insurance, could be the quality of materials. And what usually happens is that low number explodes once they're on your roof, and they start finding unexpected damage. Get at least 3 bids and get everything in writing before anyone touches your house. Number 2, no license and no insurance. Always ask for a certificate of general liability and workers' comp. If they can't hand you that paperwork, you're done talking to them. Number 3, a large deposit up front. A reasonable deposit is 15% or less. If someone is asking for 50% or the full payment before a single shingle goes on, that's a major red flag. Moving on to something I see way too often: high-pressure sales. If a contractor is telling you the price is only good today or that materials are running out, that urgency is manufactured. A reputable roofer is going to give you time to compare bids and review the contract. If they're pushing you to sign before you've had a chance to do your homework, politely decline and call someone else. A good contractor will still be there tomorrow. So here's how you find someone you can actually trust. Check Google reviews and look for patterns, not just the star rating. Search the Better Business Bureau at bbb.org. Look up the contractor with the Nassau or Suffolk County Department of Consumer Affairs to verify their license is current. And ask for local references from recent jobs, then actually call them. A legitimate roofing company has a real physical address, a track record you can verify, and they're not going to rush you into anything. At Rapid Roofing, we've been serving Long Island for over 30 years. We're fully licensed and insured, Owens Corning Platinum Preferred, and we've got over 500 5-star reviews from homeowners right here in Nassau and Suffolk counties. Your roof is a huge investment. Make sure you're protecting it with someone who's going to do it right.